Hello. Welcome to class. I remain your core maths teacher, Mr. Dewale. Now, at the end of this lesson, we will be able to say, I can exploit $1,000. I can figure out how many $10 bills we can change for a $1,000 bills. Now, listen to this. Irrespective of the currency that is being used here, it doesn't matter. Now, in America, the currency that is being used there is what? Dollars. While here in Nigeria, the currency that is being used here is Naira. So before you watch this video, I want you to look at some write-up that was made before this video. I'm sure you will. So let's move on to this lesson because I'm so excited to see how I can exploit 1,000. Are you excited? I'm sure you are excited. Let's move on. Now, our first fluency, we're going to count and change coins. We're going to count and change coins. So now, a penny is like 1, 110, or 100. A dime is like 1, 110, or 100. Now, let's take our penny to be for ones. Let's take our pennies to be for what? For ones. And let's take our dime to be for 110. So if we say 110, we are talking about what? 10. So that means if we have 2 dime, how many are we going to have like that? Did I hear you say 210? Very good. And 210 is the same thing as what? Did I hear somebody say 20? Very good. Now, let's move on. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Here is 1 penny. And I said our penny should be what? Ones. So it will be 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 95. Where's our new value? 95. Let's keep counting. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. What's our new value? Did I hear somebody say 105? Very good. How can we reduce the number of coins? How can we reduce the number of coins? Yes, did I hear somebody say we are going to bundle? Yes, because our pennies here are up to what? 10. They are up to 10 ones. And when we have 10 ones, we can bundle it to become what? 110. Good. So let's do that. Did you see it? So what is now our new value now? Let's count. 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910, 1010. 1010 is the same thing as what? 100. But we are not done. 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, 10-4, 10-5. 10-5 is the same thing as what? Did I hear somebody say 105? Yes, 105. Give yourself a round of applause. Yes, you're doing well. You're doing very great. Now, we have an application problem here. It says, Jerry is a second grader. He was playing in the attics and found an old dusty trunk. When he opened it, he found things that belonged to his grandfather. There was a cool collection of old coins and bills in an album. One bill was worth $1,000. Whoa! Joey lay down and started daydreaming. He thought about how good it would feel to give as many people as he could a $10 bill. He thought about how he had felt on his birthday last year when he got a card from his uncle with a $10 bill inside. He thought about how lucky he was one sunny, cold day walking to school when he found a $10 bill in the snow. Okay? He quietly hid the $10 bill so that lots of people could feel as lucky as he did on that day. He thought to himself, I wonder how many $10. So Jerry is wondering how many $10 worth his $1,000 bills he found in his grandfather's album. Now, Jerry saw $1,000 bills in his grandfather's album. He was daydreaming. He was wondering how many $10 bills can $1,000 bills worth. So what are we going to do? Yes, let's solve it. Let's solve it together. Good. 110 is equals to what? 10. 110 is the same thing as what? 110. 110 is the same thing as 10 in a regular way. So if I have 510, it will be what? 50 in a regular way. Very good. So since Jerry has 1,000, so how many 10 or what is 1,000 in our 10-way count? Look at what I solved here. 110 is equals 10. 10 tens will now be what? 100. So since 10 is 100, 100 tens will now be 1,000. So Jerry has 100 $10 bills to make what? 1,000. Did you see it? Very good. Now I want to do your problem sets, your exit tickets, your splints in your various textbooks, as I will see you in our next class. Remember, Mr. Adewale loves you. Bye-bye.